Welcome to our new booking system at Heatree. So you will get this email at some point similar to this, and you'll see this link that says group self-service, and you need to click on that for the first time, and that will take you through to this screen. Your email address should be in here, and it will ask you to create a new password. Now, on the initial email, the first thing you're going to need to do to confirm your booking is sign your booking form and pay your deposit invoice. And you just click on these to see the detail. And this one is the booking form. You've got the terms and conditions. Please read those thoroughly. And here you click create a digital signature and save it, and that's all you need to do. It will upload it to the portal, and we've got that bit there. The second thing will be to pay your deposit invoice, and you can do that here, but you can view the whole deposit itself. It will also be sent through in an email as well, but here it is, and payment details are there. So you confirm the booking, you sign the booking form, you pay the deposit invoice, and now you're going to get a new list of things to do with your residential and your attendees, the people who are coming. The key one, when you know, is to upload and enter your attendee details, and you're going to do that by hitting the people button. So there's two ways to do this. You can either add one person at a time, and you can type in their name. For pupils, you're not going to enter any contact details. You're going to select what kind of person they are, and then if they've got any dietary, medical or facility or accessibility needs, you're going to fill in this section. If they haven't, you don't need to put anything. If you've got dietary needs, you're going to hit and select any generic ones. If you need to add detail, you can do so here. Same with medical. Please use these if possible, and if you need to add, you can add in here. And the same with facilities. This is anything to do with accessibility needs or anything else in terms of a modification to an activity. You can enter your information. A lot of the time, if you do this, we'll get back in touch with you just to chat through what that looks like. You can also upload your information, which is much quicker and easier. The key thing with this is create your spreadsheet outside of our portal with first name and last name in separate fields, not email or phone, because we don't want that for pupils or really anyone apart from the lead person. And also gender helps because it's another field that you've got to fill in the system. So here's my little spreadsheet. You want the field name, first name, surname and gender. You need to write it like that so the system will recognize it and get all your attendees mapped out like that. First, you might want to do it from another spreadsheet, but it needs to be in that format. You can either import this as an Excel document, or kind of easier is just to select Control C and then paste it in there, and it immediately recognizes those fields. If you've got anything muddled up, you can change, but that's all correct. So we're going to hit import. Now it says this just because the first record had the title, first name, surname, gender, so that's fine, that's what we expect. There's actually 12 records here, and the 13th was the title one. Select the people who have additional information. Say you might have a handful of people who actually need medical or dietary needs. Once you've got all your attendees uploaded and their information, you can continue to edit that up to a week before you come. So you can do this stage, and then you can add the medical, the dietary. You can also edit it, upload new information as you get it, but there is that 7-day cutoff, so we can prepare our teams ready for your arrival. The next thing, once you've got all your names, is to put everyone into the correct bedrooms. As you drag and drop a person into the bedroom, it will now say 3 places remaining. 2 places remaining, and so on, and all your bedrooms are down here, so you can fill them all up, and it will tell you when you've got to capacity on those. It also has a configuration of the bedroom here, so you can see what kind of bedroom it is. Lastly, if there's additional actions, additional requests, that you would like to make on top of the program that we've designed, you can select them here. So these are a few examples. You can select any of these, and you just hit them there. There's no cost to it. You're just going to add it to your booking. That will send us a message to say that's a request you've made, and we'll get back in touch. So hopefully that's helpful, and do reach out if you need more help getting set up on the portal.